Question number 14. An ionic bond can be formed when one or more electrons are. The keywords in this question are ionic bond and electrons. Keep in mind that when bonding, atoms are most stable when they have 8 valence or outermost electrons, something known as a stable octet. A good example of this is with sodium and chlorine. For sodium to become a stable octet, it can either lose 1 or gain 7 valence electrons. For chlorine to become a stable octet, it can either gain 1 or lose 7 of its valence electrons. Both atoms will do what is easiest. Sodium will lose its 1 valence electron and become a +1 ion. Meanwhile, chlorine will gain that 1 valence electron and become a -1 ion. Hence the name ionic bond. An ionic bond involves the transfer of electrons from a metal, in this case sodium, to a nonmetal, in this case chlorine, forming positive and negative ions. Since electrons are not found in the nucleus, choice 3 is wrong and choice 4 is correct. Sharing of electrons, as opposed to transferring, implies that both atoms want to gain the electron. This means that both atoms need to be nonmetals since nonmetals tend to gain electrons. Equal sharing means that the nonmetals are most likely the same element, whereas unequal sharing means that the nonmetals are different.